Aloe vera, commonly known for its soothing properties for skin ailments, also boasts some fascinating benefits for our heart health. Today, we're going to explore how incorporating aloe vera into your routine could be a game changer for your cardiovascular wellness. First off, let's talk about cholesterol. Research has uncovered that aloe vera can have a significant impact on cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of aloe vera juice has been linked to lower LDL cholesterol, which is often referred to as the bad cholesterol. By helping to regulate your cholesterol levels, aloe vera may reduce the risk of heart disease and support overall cardiovascular health. Now, what about blood sugar? Aloe vera has also been studied for its ability to help manage blood glucose levels. Studies indicate that aloe vera may enhance insulin sensitivity, which is essential for heart health since high blood sugar can lead to complications that affect your cardiovascular system over time. By maintaining balanced blood sugar levels, you're not just looking out for your pancreas, but also safeguarding your heart. Let's not forget about hydration. Staying hydrated plays a crucial role in heart health. Aloe vera is a great source of hydration due to its high water content. Proper hydration helps maintain optimal blood volume and circulation, ensuring that your heart can work efficiently. Including aloe vera in your daily regimen could be an excellent way to boost your hydration levels. Another point to consider is aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation in the body is a significant risk factor for heart disease. Aloe vera is packed with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially leading to a healthier heart and reduced risk of heart-related issues. In addition to these benefits, aloe vera may help improve digestion. A healthy digestive system can enhance nutrient absorption, including essential vitamins and minerals that are crucial for heart health. By supporting your digestive tract, aloe vera indirectly fosters a better environment for your cardiovascular system. In conclusion, incorporating aloe vera into your diet could offer surprising benefits for your heart health, from lowering cholesterol and managing blood sugar to improving hydration and reducing inflammation. Before we wrap up, we want to express our heartfelt thanks for watching this video. If you found this information enlightening and want to learn more about natural remedies for better health, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Health Alert Remedies. Join our community and stay informed about the best tips and tricks for a healthier life.